Matulayo para katuho. Ako po yung kapatid yung Kristiyano, settler na taga Parliament din, nakikisa at nagpapasalamat sa pag-imbita niyo sa amin ngayong hapon na makiisa sa panawagang palayain ang Palestine.
Inshallah.
Today, we unite for the 2025 Sadaqah Drive for Gaza under the theme From Cotabato City, Bangsamoro to Gaza, a lifeline of hope and humanity. It is not just about providing material aid. It is about offering hope, compassion, and solidarity to those in Gaza who continue to endure significant hardship. Together we stand in belief that humanity can transcend all borders. As we extend our support, we Christians in Bangsamoro must acknowledge the deepest challenges faced by the people of Gaza. The ongoing situation described by Jonathan Whitford from the United Nations as a crisis that defies decency and humanity calls for global unity and solidarity. While our efforts today provide some relief, lasting peace will only come when all parties engage in meaningful dialogue. True peace can only be built on courage, justice, mutual understanding, and a shared commitment to dignity and security. It can also be found within when our hearts are anchored in faith, guided by love, and rooted in the belief that life is sacred and divinely given. We call for the immediate cessation of violence and the resumption of peace talks. Only through dialogue and negotiation can we hope to break the cycle of conflict and move forward to a future where the rights of all individuals are respected. Peace talks are a brief testament to strength, wisdom, and the recognition that the path forward lies in conversation, not in continued confrontation and war. As we carry on with our mission, let us not only offer material support, but also send a unified message of hope from Cotabato City, Philippines to Gaza. Let us stand in solidarity, compassion, and justice. Through our collective efforts and commitment, we have the opportunity to help in the future where peace is no longer just a hope, but a reality for all. As I end this, I call on to stop the war. Free, free Palestine. Free, free Palestine. Free, free Palestine. May world peace prevail. Thank you very much. Wassalam.
Allahu Akbar, Allah.